Hey, welcome to Multimedia. This is Albert and Paul. Today we're going to be talking about different area, same perimeter. Objective: understanding the answer by solving that the area is different and the perimeter is the same. So basically today what we're doing is we're just going to solve perimeter problems. So this is perimeter. Today we had that, and we're just going to take this as an area problem. So area, this would be width and this would be the length. So 2, 1, so we're going to multiply 2 times 1 to find the answer by doing area. And today I'm going to teach you how perimeter is going to stay the same as long as we add it, and how when we do it as area, the answer is going to be different. Let's get started. So for our first problem now, these are perimeter problems, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to solve this normally. So we're doing 3 plus, sorry, that's times. So we're used to doing multiplication these days. So 3 plus 5 and plus 3 plus 5 equals the perimeter of this shape. Now, 3 plus 5 equals 8, and 3 plus 5 equals 8. And we're going to add 8 plus 8 equals 16. So our answer here is equal to 16 centimeters is the perimeter. Now, let's do this in an area. Now, area, we're multiplying the length times width, or width times length. Now, let's try to do it. So this is the width, this is the width, and now we're going to multiply the width times the length. Now, 3 times 5 equals 15. So the area for this shape is equal to 15. And yeah, so the area, let me put A instead of just equal, so you guys can understand 2. Let me just get rid of that, and then let me just put this here. So the area is equal to 15 centimeters. So basically what we did here was, what we did is we did it as a perimeter, and we solved it as an area problem too. So two different answers, and doing 2 different steps. So basically now we're going to do perimeter. So we're doing 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now let's see, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 2 plus 2 equals 4 here. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm going to just put that there. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So the perimeter of this shape equals 8 centimeters. Now let's do the area. So we're doing length times width, or width times length. So this is the width. I'm going to do it up here. 2 times 2, because we're doing width times length. Always remember, when you're doing area, you're not adding up all the sides. You're making sure that you're doing width times length, or length times width. It doesn't really matter how you say it because of the commutative property of multiplication. So you can either say it as width times length, or length times width. Now, let's do 2 times 2 equals 4. So the area for this shape is equal to 4 centimeters. Now, since we're done with this, let's do problem time. So, time for the perimeter. So this is going to be 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. Now, let's break this up into 2 different problems to solve this. So we'll do 2 plus 3 here, and then 2 plus 3 here. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then we're adding 2 plus 3 again here, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. So our answer, the perimeter for this, is equal to 10 centimeters. Now, that looks like an I because there was already a dot there. So this is equal to 10 centimeters. Now, let's do the area by multiplying the width times the length. So 2 times 3, because this is the width, this is the length. Now we're doing 2 times 3, which equals 6. So the area for this shape is equal to 6 centimeters. Now, on to our next one. I'm gonna erase these so I have space, but you wanna make sure that always you show your work to your teachers, because I accidentally erased a 3 there. I'm sorry, 1. So you wanna make sure that you always show your work for your teachers to know what you're doing, and so they can see in case where you went wrong. So I'm just gonna put the area equals to 6 centimeters, and now let me put a 1 there. Oh, it's already there, so we don't have to worry about that. Now on to number 2. So the perimeter is 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. So I'm gonna put that there. 6 plus 6, we can do that, and we can do plus 2 plus 2. So 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. It doesn't really matter which order they are because of the commuter's property of addition. So now let's try to solve them. 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. 12 plus 4 equals 16. So the area, the perimeter of this, let me just erase that so you guys don't get confused, and I'm not getting you guys confused. So the perimeter of this is equal to 16 centimeters. Now, time for the area. And remember, area, we're multiplying the width times the length, or the length times the width. So now we're doing 2 times 6. So 2, sorry, that went all the way there. 2 times 6 equals 12. So the area of this is equal to 12. Now, on to our next one. Number 3. Let me just put 3 right there. So it got erased. Number 3. So now the perimeter is 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 8. So 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 8. Now 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 8 plus 8 equals 16. All we have to do is now add 2 plus 16, which equals 18. So the area, the perimeter, keep on getting confused, the perimeter of this equals 18. Now let's try to find the area. Area, we're multiplying width times length, or length times width. So the width is 1 and the length is 8. So we're multiplying 1 times 8, which equals 8. So our area for this problem is equal to 8. Now, time for our last one here. Got my color. So we're doing 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, we can't see those. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let me put it down here. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the area of this would, not the perimeter, this would equal 6. Now, time for the area. Area is width times length. So 1 times 2 would equal, let me make that a little bigger for you guys to see that. 1 times 2 equals 2. So the area of this is 2. Now, let's do a few more here. So, now let's do 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. So let me write it down here, sorry. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. So 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So the perimeter of this equals 12, because we're adding up all the sides. And always remember that when you're doing perimeter, you're adding up all the sides. Now, time for the area. We're multiplying width times length. 2 times 4 times 4 equals 8. So the perimeter of this, not the perimeter, the area, I always get them mixed up. Area is equal to 8. Now, time for the next one here. 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. Now, 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 2 plus 6 equals 8 here. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So the perimeter of this equals 16. Now the area would be, we're multiplying width times length, which is 2 times 6, because this is the width, this is the length. 2 times 6 equals 12. So the area of this, which equals 12. Now, let's move on to our next one. So it's your turn. And that is it for today's video. Comment down below what you get for your answer. Try to do perimeter for this and add and do the area. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abhiram Paul. Please tell me how I can make my videos better, and please like this video, share it to your third year friends, and comment down below. And look out for the 4th grade playlist. If you're going to 4th grade next and you're not in school, make sure to watch those so you'll get a head start. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day. Bye bye.